In this video, we will start explaining the material properties. I double-click the first material to open the Material Properties window. When this window opens, you can see the parameters commonly used in frequent analyses. The symbols of these engineering parameters are shown in bold. When you hover the cursor over a property, a tooltip shows the meaning of that symbol. Now let's start with the parameters in the Physical Properties tab. Here we see two parameters. These are unit weight values. One is the natural unit weight, and the other is the saturated unit weight. These values are used in many analyses, especially bearing capacity, settlement, and retaining wall analyses. They are also important in slope stability analyses. Now we change these values. From this list, we select clay as the material type. Next, I move to the Mechanical Properties tab. This tab includes the mechanical properties of the soil. The properties are grouped into effective stress and total stress conditions. In the effective stress area, cohesion, internal friction angle, elastic modulus, and Poisson's ratio are defined for drained conditions. Similarly, for total stresses, undrained shear strength and the undrained elastic modulus are shown. Now we change these values. We can type the undrained elastic modulus manually or use the Calculate buttons you see here. After entering the drained elastic modulus and drained Poisson's ratio, clicking the Calculate button gives the undrained elastic modulus automatically. Now let's talk about the other two properties. These are used in retaining wall analyses. The first parameter is the wall-soil friction angle. The other parameter is the earth pressure coefficient at rest. Now we change these values as well. In this video, we talked about the general material properties. In the next videos, we will continue with more detailed material properties. Thank you for watching.